Can you please head over to my channel, click the setting or the cogwheel button, and this will bring up a menu. Just click the ticket and press save. What is going on, guys? It's TJ, back to you guys again from TeeJayTech. Today we have two adapters from the regular USB to an Apple device. So let's get right into the video. I picked these up on Amazon for about, I think it was like 50 cents each, something ridiculously cheap like that. So as you can see, I have two. So basically you can plug these into wherever you want. Let me just give you guys a close-up of the actual device. Put them into my hand. Yeah, these are real good if you keep losing your cables, or if you just have regular Samsung cable and you want to charge your iPhone, iPad, whatever. Right, so the way this works, as you can see, you get this and then you just plug this in onto the adapter, and it fits perfectly fine, and you can charge your phone with this, do whatever you want. It fits perfect there, as you can see. It's perfect, it will charge. I've already tried this. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe.
Tell me like a Hellcat.